On November 22nd, 1963, President John F. Kennedy was killed in Dallas, Texas, while riding in a motorcade during a parade. Lee Harvey Oswald was arrested as a suspect in the killings and held by police for questioning. However, police never got a chance to question Oswald, for on November 24th, at 12:20 p.m., nightclub owner Jack Ruby stepped out of a crowd at the Dallas police station and shot Oswald. Ever since, Americans have theorized that Oswald did not act alone and that somebody paid him to knock off Kennedy. A government investigation, which found that Oswald did indeed act alone, did little to stem rumors. Today, we delve into the mystery and try to discover the truth. Who was Oswald really working for? It's a great day. I've been walking around soaking up some rays. However, walking around town does get one quite bored. I decided I might go up here and kill the president for a lark. Hey, I might even get famous. Not likely. Here are some more plausible scenarios. Mr. Kennedy, when will you learn? You mess with Geo. One does not mess with Geo and live. He sent me. I will get you. And if not, Frank's just on that hill over there. We will not both miss. Remember, Mr. Kennedy, the mob does not miss. Just because you chased our missiles off of Cuba does not mean that the KGB can't get you. You can't chase us out of the West that easily. Das Vidania, Ivan Kennedy. Senor Kennedy, I don't think your Bay of Pigs invasion was a great lesson in plausible deniability. This, senor, is true plausible deniability. Too bad you won't be around to learn from it. Well, so whatever happened to the air support? Got cold feet? Or should I say, cold wings? I'm so disgusted by this Bay of Pigs mess that I can never eat bacon again. Come on. Well, how could it mess up so badly? How did you let us fail? LBJ will fight a war on poverty. LBJ will act on civil rights. LBJ is a greater man than you will ever be. LBJ will be president. I hate the government. Kennedy is the head of government. Therefore, I hate Kennedy. This is nothing personal. For many of us, the true identity of Oswald's motives and employer will never be known. What was Oswald really thinking when he mounted the steps of the Dallas Book Depository up to the 3rd floor, saw the president driving by, aimed, and fired? The answer, my friends, is lost to history. Hello. You may know me as Lee Harvey Oswald, the scoundrel and Soviet sympathizer who killed John F. Kennedy. Actually, I am not Oswald. Oswald is dead. I killed him for his name. In reality, I'm a businessman in the loosest sense of the word. My economic empire stretches over more galaxies than you earthlings will ever know. My directorates interlock star clusters. When I want to raise prices, I raise prices. Nobody in the universe can compete with my vast holdings, except for the Americans. If there's one thing that you weak Americans know, it is capitalism. That is why this NASA business must be nipped in the bud before I start facing heavy intergalactic competition. Of course, the truth will never come out. People think that Oswald acted alone. That's what I want them to think. Then I can expand my vast economic holdings unhindered. Sadly, there are some fringe wackos who know the truth, such as that xenophobic, extremist, vigilante fool Jack Ruby. He's little more than a bug. I'll crush him and nobody will ever know. Also, nobody will ever tie Kennedy's murder to an extraterrestrial businessman. Maybe Americans, you should have worn your tinfoil hats. No.